Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong June 1 to 15, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyong mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Gemini, what's up with you this first half ng June for Gemini. Okay. King of Pentacles. So, this is financial stability, abundance, no? You are on top of your game. So, pwede rin merong recognition sa'yo sa work. Maaring merong leadership position. You might be a leader in your field. Maari ring merong celebration for you, no? Sa trabaho. It's like they are recognizing your gifts, your talents, your skills. And I think pagdating rin sa business, maaring you're on the path of having a solid business na gusto mong maipamana pa, no, sa iyong family. You have the High Priestess. You have psychic gifts. You have the Strength card and the Two of Wands. Okay. So, maaring merong kang kailangang pagpilian or decision making ngayong first half ng June related to your career or business na mangangailangan ng masusing pag-aaral kasi parang pareho to beneficial sa'yo. So, ngayon, yung decision mo na yan, magbabase na lang yan sa kung ano yung gusto mong ma-experience, ano yung gusto mong, like, kung masaya ka ba, kung nasan yung passion mo. Kasi maaring, para siyang good problem, kumbaga. Dahil, maraming options available sa'yo, especially sa career or sa kung anong landas ang gusto mong tahakin. Ang importante lang dito is, if you love what you're going to do, kung mahal mo ba yung gagawin mo, kung ayun ba yung passion mo. Kasi minsan, meron tayong mga pinipili dahil nandoon yung mas maraming compensation, andun yung mas malaking sweldo, may mga benefits and all. Pero, hindi rin natin alam na baka stressful yun, or medyo toxic. Although, meron namang nag-o-offer na hindi ganun kataas, pero sapat na, and at the same time, hindi rin siya stressful. So, piliin mo kung ano yung sa tingin mong kaya mong i-handle. Okay? So, yung iba, maaring may plano of working abroad or may offer na sa inyo to work abroad. Syempre, may mga sacrifices yan, lalo na kung maiiwan ang iyong family, mga loved ones mo, 'di ba? But of course, it's part of the process na kung meron kang plano naman to migrate sa isang country na kung saan ka magtatrabaho, then future plans mo na yan, no? So, pwede mo nang pag-ipunan. But kung gusto mo lang talagang for work sa ibang bansa, then you have to make sure na yung papadalhan mo ng sweldo mo is marunong maghawak ng pera. Let's see your money, career, finances. You have the Knight of Pentacles. Slowly but surely. Ayan. I feel like ipupurso mo yung mga bagay na passionate about ka. Ace of Cups. Yung talagang mahal mo, yung talagang nag-e-excite sa'yo pagdating sa trabaho. Ito yung tipong hindi mo mararamdaman na nagwo-work ka, na nagtatrabaho ka because it's your passion, na kahit na mapuyat ka, mapagod ka, okay lang kasi nag-e-enjoy ka eh. Ito yung tipong hindi mo namamalayan yung oras, tipong 5 oras ka na palang nagtatrabaho pero parang 1 oras pa lang dahil you are enjoying what you're doing. So some of you, yun na yung ipupurso ninyo. Kasi meron ditong new beginnings, new opportunities, and there is stability, no, dito sa career path na to. Let's see naman yung inyong love life. Love and family, 6 of Pentacles. You have the Queen of Cups. Someone is very caring, no? I think some of you are dealing with a person na kumbaga nakaalalay sa'yo sa lahat ng mga needs mo. So, napakaswerte ng iba sa inyo kasi you are loved. Kumbaga, hindi lang sinasabi, ginagawa rin, pinapatunayan rin through actions. And maaring meron kayong mga plans together na finally matutuloy na ngayon kung balak nyong magbakasyon or to go somewhere else, matutuloy na yan. Kung meron din kayong plans to have your own business together, meron na siyang movement, no? May mga changes na, may mga updates na. So, keep it going. Keep it coming. And then, if you are single, I feel like you will enjoy the company of your friends right now. Mas gusto mo na meron kang mga taong nakakasama once in a while para ma-update nyo yung isa't isa sa mga nangyayari sa buhay ninyo. Although hindi naman kailangang madalas. But I think ngayong first half ng June, meron kayong major na updates with your friends about your life. Ayan. So, yung iba, you will travel together, visit some places together, and enjoy being single. Merong romantic energies dito. And prosperity. And victory, wow. So, some of you, if you are in a relationship right now, very loving yung connection ninyo. Maaring you are both, parang pareho kayo nagtutulungan, no? Para maging successful kayo as a couple. Because there's prosperity. Maaring meron ding harvest, good harvest for some of you. Kung kayo ay nagtanim, literal, no? So, meron na kayong ma-harvest. Masaganang ani. Iba naman, ito yung mga in-effortan nyo, trinabaho nyo, and now, maaring you will be working towards your goals. Parang lalo kang may engganyo, lalo kang may inspire, no, to do better. Dahil doon, you will be successful. Merong victory. Maaring makaka-receive ka rin ng rewards or recognition sa work, sa trabaho, sa career mo. Or kung ikaw naman ay, let's say, stay-at-home wife or husband, tapos yung partner mo yung may work. So, syempre, maaring yung blessing na yan pupunta sa asawa mo. At syempre, kasama ka rin doon. Dadamay ka na rin, diba? Let's see what else you have. Going within, or you are examining yourself. Maaring meron ka ngayong gusto pang tuklasin about yourself. This is self-reflection. Ano yung purpose mo? Ano pa yung pwede mong improve sa sarili mo? Believe in the impossible. Some of you, maaring meron kayong, may katuparan yung mga pangarap ninyo. Unti-unti nyo nang nakikita yung resulta ng pinagpaguran ninyo. Some of you, maaring you will meet a romantic partner while you're traveling. Oo, habang ikaw ay nagta-travel. Kaya lang yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nagdadalawang isip. Lalo na kung masyadong yung parang serendipitous yung pagkikita ninyo na parang pang-romantic na movies. Ayan. But you have to be open sa mga ganon kung gusto mo talaga ng romantic partner. Kasi if you are blocking the energy, so paano ka makaka-experience ng romantic connection? But of course, depende pa rin yan kung gusto mo talaga. Kasi there are some people na masaya na, no? Na single sila. But I think you will enjoy company of other people. Yung iba, vacation by the beach, sharing your experiences together, ideas together. It's all in divine order. Allow. Ayan. Divine order. Allow things to happen. Alam nyo, when you start na hindi mag-resist sa mga nakikita nyo ng senyales na itong work na to para sa'yo, or itong person na to keeps on popping, I mean, keeps on laging nandyan sa buhay mo, hindi umaalis, then maybe take that as a sign to allow things to happen dahil maaring it is meant to be, it is meant to happen. It is divinely guided. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.